Namaskar. Set 16 model practice set. Who among the following was the president of the Indian National Congress during the 1915 session? Prasanna Sinha, Ambika Chandra Majumdar, Bhupendranath Bose, Madan Mohan Malavya. Which of the following is the most abundant source of iron? Green vegetables, milk, egg, beans. Question number 3. Which of one following is the insectivorous plant? Utriculus, Genata, Nostoc, Biophyta. Question 4. It is the multi-branched polysaccharide of glucose that serve as the form of energy storage in the animal and fungi. Cellulose, glycogen, proteins. Question 5. Which of the following gas leaked of the Bhopal gas tragedy in December 1984? Methyl isocyanide, methyl isochlorate, methyl phosphate, methyl isoporate. Dash is useful for making vinegar. Tartaric acid, malic acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid. Question 7. Who built Shantiniketan? Guru Ramdas, Maharaj Pratap Singh, Rabindranath Tagore, British government. Question number 8. The league in which Buddha preached Hindu, Urdu, Pali, Hebrew, the law of the demand states in the which people take good in carries the demand for the good decrease if the option 2 the price of the good in carries in the demand of the good increase. কি বলছে অপশন 3 the price of good in carries in the quantity demand of the good decrease. Option 4 if price of good increase quality demand and the good increase the major portion of the earth's crust is mandatory mainly constituted by oxygen and iron, oxygen and silicon and iron, silicon and aluminium. Question number 11. Cinnabar is one of mineral lead, manganese, molybdenum, mercury. Question 12. If a star is bigger than sun but not more than twice as big, it will turn into a pulsar maximum average discover. Option 3. How many types of wrist can be issued under Article 32 and 2 to 6 of the Constitution of the India? Option 14. Who was the appointed by Akbar as his court musician? Abul Fazal, Mayan Tansen, Raja Birbal, Raja Todarmal. Question 15. Ashok was the king of which dynasty? Paradha কি বলছে হরিয়াঙ্কা মৌর্য না নন্দ? 1 nanometer is equal to dash meter 10. Option 1 10 raised to the power minus 3, 10 raised to the power minus 6, 10 raised to the power minus 9, 10 raised to the power minus 12. To be a voter in India, what is the minimum qualifying age? 24 years, 22, 20. Option 4 80 years, 18 years. Indian constitution came into force on 15th August 1947. Option 2 26 January 1950. Option 3 26 November 1948. Option 4 6 November 1948. Question 9. In 19, the Reserve Bank of India introduced a comprehensive regulatory framework for NBC FCM FI on 10 December 2015, 2 December 2nd December 2011, 8 December 2013, 5th December 2012. Which one of the following organism can reproduce by কি বলা আছে regeneration and budding? Yeast, Plasmodium, Hydra na Planaria? Question 21. Question 21. What is the transition element whose two out elements males then are incomplete element which possess properties of both metals and non-metals? They have 8 electrons in this outmost cell elements whose these outmost cells in complete mechanical energy is combination of kinetic energy and heat energy, chemical energy, potential energy, nuclear energy. 23. Which of the following is the main thinking part of the human brain? Hind brain, cerebellum, midbrain, forebrain. 24. German silver is an alloy of copper, silver and zinc, copper, nickel and zinc, silver, tin and zinc. Option 4 silver, nickel and zinc. 25. Which of the following is hardest metal? Gold, iron, platinum, tungsten. 26. Name of the hot, dry, of bursting winds that blow in between Delhi and Patna. No westers, mango sour, blossom sour, Lu. 20, question 27. Indian Constitution came into force on. Indian Constitution came into force on which of the following in the primary sex organ in men? Prostate, testes. Option 3, vast difference, seminal vesicle. 29. In India, according to the insolvency of bankruptcy code 2016, the process in insolvency resolution for companies which sued company in the how many days? 180 days, 150 days, 170 days, 120 days. 120 is 120. One of the largest salt deserts in the world, the Rana of Kutch, is primarily in the state of India, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Telangana, Assam. 31. The dash architecture mainly consists chaityas, Haridas, stups, and stampas. Maurya, Buddhist, Hindu, no Mughal. 32. Question number 32. Which compound is formed when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in air? Magnesium nitrate, magnesium carbonate, magnesium